Hey guys, it's Elena here and I'm back with another video. Today I'm making a video and this video is going to be how to make shampoo and toothpaste and follow my directions. So you'll need toothpaste and some shampoo. So we're going to put this in. You could put however you want. So I'm gonna start. I'm pouring almost a lot, but not like over full. So that's how much I'm gonna put. So you're going to kind of mix. I'm on a toothbrush I have not been using, so yeah. And pour your shampoo in. Do not put too much because that would make it not confirm. So put a little bit in for right now. Let's see. It actually is working, but yeah. Yeah. So I actually like this one because my last ones, they really don't work. So, and this is my first time being on my channel. Sometimes I go on my brother's channel, so, and my brother's channel is Flex Leg YT. Go subscribe to him, his career. And it's all about Fortnite. Mine is all about slime. So that's funny. And you're just gonna go keep on mixing until it just it gets so stretchy. But I'm gonna add a little bit more of it. So yeah, that's enough. And try not to put a lot. And if you like this color, comment down below. It's actually working. I like it. And it has it looks like there's glitter in it. There's actually not. So So it's starting, but yeah. Here, we see. But it's not really stretchy right now because I gotta wait for 50 seconds. So I'll see y'all in 50 seconds. Alright. Okay, gotta wipe that. So blurry. Do y'all see me? Alright. Hold on, guys. Let me see my camera. I'll wipe it. So, alright. That's much better. Alright. And it's done. We could just play with it. sticky for right now. It's still a little sticky, but not like a lot, like really. Like if I say really sticky, so then that's really sticky. But if I say it's not really sticky, that's not really sticky. And I'm gonna play with it, and I hope my fingers don't be a little messy. And just in case I have like very messy hands, I got napkins. Y'all could do this video on YouTube. Just ask your parents to put a YouTube channel for you. But if they say don't beg. Just beg. Then they'll say yes. And if y'all like this video, comment and subscribe, hit that bell. And today I want 500 likes. Comment down below. Bye. Have a great day.